Life is a battle every day. Whether you know it or not, the enemy is real and out to get you. But take heart, because with the Lord on your side, you stand a better chance than most. You stand more than a puncher's chance. The moment you chose Jesus, the odds swung in your favor. Now, more than ever, you need to put on the full armor of the Lord and take your stand against the enemy's schemes. When you chose him, you chose to have someone on your side who knows what it's like to struggle and fight on. Now, it is up to you to stay in the fight. You will lose some rounds. You might get knocked down, but it's not a knockout. Never let your guard down, because the enemy is always looking for an opportunity to attack. But as long as you keep God close, you will always have the strength to fight on. Even when the battle seems impossible, God will give you the power to overcome. Because with him, all things are possible. So never give up, never back down. When you know who you are in Christ, you have already won a victory. Don't go through life with no one in your corner. The truth is, if you know that you are a child of God, then the battle has already been won. With the Lord at your side, ask yourself, who can stand against me now?